So, hello student, now I have taken exercise 7.2 and the very first question I am taking, that is what? It is given, find the coordinate of the point which divides the join of minus 1 comma 7 and 4 comma minus 3 in the ratio 2 ratio 3. Suppose a point A is given and a point B is given. So A is what? A is minus 1 comma 7, minus 1 comma 7, and B is what? 4 comma minus 3, and it is find the coordinates of a point. Let the point is what? P, and value of point P we suppose x comma y, and it is given, it is divided the line 2 ratio 3, 2 ratio 3. So for what we do, let point P xy, let the point is P xy which divides the AB in the ratio 2 ratio 3, in the ratio 2 ratio 3. So for, as you know, by using section formula, x must be equal to, as you know, x, or simply m x2 plus n x1 upon m plus n. And in some of the book it is given m1 m2, in place of n it is given m and n, it is given m1 m2, no problem. So value of m is what? 2. Value of x2 is what? x1 y1, x2 y2. So x2 is what? 4, plus value of n is 3, and value of x1 is what? minus 1. Whenever two signs are coming together, you have to write the second number in small bracket, and m plus n, as you know, 2 plus 3. So this will be 8 minus 3 upon 5. So this will be this will be 5 upon 5, which is equal to 1. This is value of x. And similarly for value of y, as you know, m y2 plus n y1 upon m plus n. Again value of m 2, value of y1, that is 7, plus n, value of n is 3 into y1, that is, value of y2 is what? minus 3. Value of y2 is what? minus 3. m2 x2 was 4, okay, then n was 3, then x1, okay, it is clear. So this will be y1, value of y1 is what? 7, and upon, as usual, 2 plus 3. So this will be minus 6 plus 21 upon 5. This is, as you know, 15 by 5, which will give 3. So therefore required point P must be, firstly, x, value of x 1 comma 3. This will be your answer. Now we are taking question number 4. This is question 4. As you know, A point is given minus 3 comma 10, B is given 6 comma minus 8, and P is given minus 1 comma 6. The line segment AB is divided by this point. So this will come at the center. You cannot say the center or mid, because this is the dividing point, okay. So this will create the ratio, and that ratio we have to find. We are not knowing in what ratio this point has divided line segment AB. So first of all, this is, as you know, this is value of x, and this is value of y. This is value of x, and this is value of y, and this, as usual, x1 y1 and x2 y2. So by using section formula, so formula was x equal to m x2 plus n x1 upon m plus n. So value of x is what? minus 1 equal to m, let it be m, into x2 is what? 6, plus value of n, let it be n, and value of x1 is what? minus 3, and this will be m plus n. When we will cross multiply, this minus sign multiply with this, so this will be minus m minus n is equal to 6m minus 3n. Keep all the m one side, m minus 6m minus 3n plus n. So this will be minus 7m is equal to minus 2n. This minus minus will, so this n will come here, m upon n, this 2 and this 7 will go this side. So m ratio n is equal to 2 ratio 7. So required ratio is what? 2 ratio 7, for in which this point is dividing the line segment containing these coordinates in the form of 2 ratio 7. One more thing, you can take the value of y as well. If you will solve with the y, answer will be same. Here I am showing, if suppose we could have taken y, so y as you know m y2 plus n y1 upon m plus n. Very fastly, little fastly I am solving. This is 6 m plus 6n is equal to value of m is what? M into y2 as you know minus 8, and plus value of n we have to find this y1 is what? 10. So 6m plus 6n is equal to minus 8m plus 10n. Again as you know 6m plus 8m equal to 10n minus 6n. So this will be 14m is equal to 4n. So m upon n is equal to 4 upon 14. 2 2 ja 2 7 ja, m ratio n is equal to 2 ratio 7. So this is coming same. So in exam only you need to solve by taking one value. Only you need to solve by taking one value. Thank you.